it's not just gonna come through, we get look at the time, 5 o'clock, which I say, it's gonna come through resilience, hard work, doing what other people are not willing to do, what other companies are not willing to do. Yeah, the first thing is never be too big. No matter how big you are or how well established you think, it's the big companies that are always nimble. They're always serving the customers on time. We always think of ourselves as a startup, no matter how many clients we've had. And over the years, we've had, tens of thousands of clients. In SA, as a young black guy, it's tough. It's something that we don't see because in Botswana, we are all young black guys. By that side, there are so many odds against you. Already when you start, there's a lot to prove. Well, I don't consider myself much of an A student. I think I'm just a hard worker. I know for me to catch concepts, I need to spend a little bit more time. I'm the Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome to the show today, the MD of Lion Tutoring, Mr. Thobo Khatola.
Thank you, Mpo.
How you doing, man?
Thank you, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Finally. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Deep Dive Sessions. My name is Mpo. Thank you for stopping by. Today we have a special guest by the name Thobo Khatola of Lion Tutoring, a young entrepreneur who started his business in 2015 and 3 years in a row won the best youth-owned business in Botswana and has employed to date close to 330 employees. A young man that is doing so much regionally and internationally. And we're going to be talking about how to fix the education system in Botswana. Let's keep that.